Hi everyone. Today I'll be making Flaming Hot Mountain Dew cake. What all goes into the Flaming Hot Mountain Dew cake? For the cake batter, one 15.25 ounce lemon cake mix, one 3.4 ounce instant lemon pudding. They didn't have any lemon pudding at my store, so I just have vanilla. 4 large eggs, 3/4 cup canola oil, 1 1/4 cups Mountain Dew or 12 ounces, Flaming Hot Mountain Dew at room temperature. For the icing, we'll need 3 cups powdered sugar, 1/4 cup or 2 ounces of Flaming Hot Mountain Dew. So let's begin. So the recipe calls for just to oil the bundt pan. I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way, so I went ahead and buttered and floured it. I'll set this aside. Preheat the oven to 350. Take a large bowl, dump in your 1 box of lemon cake mix, your 1 package of instant pudding mix that calls for lemon, but all I had was vanilla, the 4 eggs, your 3/4 cup canola oil. On medium-low speed, mix that up just to break the eggs. Add 1/2 of the Flaming Mountain Dew. Make sure it is room temperature and mix on low for 30 seconds. And then add the second half of the Flaming Hot Mountain Dew. And then mix that on medium speed for 2 minutes and scrape the bowl as needed. Then pour your Flaming Hot Mountain Dew cake batter in a bundt pan. Try to get it nice and even. And kind of smooth it out. Like I said, make it nice and even. Put your Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew cake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. So my Flaming Hot Mountain Dew cake just came out of the oven after 45 minutes. Let's do a toothpick test. And it come out clean. What I like to do is take a knife and go around the edges just to make sure that it's not sticking and it doesn't look like it is, and I'm hoping that the bottom is the same way. And definitely get around here. We'll let it cool for 10 minutes and then we'll take it out of the pan and then let it cool completely. So I took it out of the pan after 10 minutes. It does have a lot of flour because I overfloured it, because I always end up having my bundt cakes stick. This turned out really, really good. We'll let this totally cool and then we'll come back and put the icing on it. So the Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew cake has cooled. We'll make the Flaming Hot Mountain Dew icing next. You'll take your 3 cups of powdered sugar and dump them in a large bowl. And you can always add more sugar or add more Mountain Dew to get the consistency that you want. Then we'll add 1/4 cup of Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew. You want it to be kind of thick, but you want to be able to pour it. I'm going to switch to a spoon. This will be able to mix it up a lot easier. And it's looking like it's almost too thick. So I'm going to add just a little bit more of the Mountain Dew. Yum. It's just a limited edition, and I hope they bring it back at least once a year. And I don't know how much extra I added, but like I said, It's to your desired consistency. Oh, that's a lot better. As soon as I get it thoroughly mixed up, I'm going to drizzle it. Just take the spoon and not make a mess. And I tried to wipe off some of that flour, but like I said, I overfloured it because every time I make a bundt cake, it always sticks in the pan. So there we have it, our Flaming Hot Mountain Dew cake. We need to let it sit so the icing can firm up a little bit before we can serve it. So here's the Flaming Hot Mountain Dew cake. Let's see what Dave thinks.
So what is this?
Flaming Hot Mountain Dew cake. Using my Flaming Hot Mountain Dew that I had.
Well, it smells okay. I didn't care. I tried some of the Mountain Dew and I didn't care too much for it. Keep waiting for the heat. Really not getting that little bite that I thought was going to be in it, which is probably a good thing. Well, it's good though.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.